4-3 Charlie. Need a flight following, just contact ground real fast on 121.6. They'll set up, I'm a little busy on local.
Okay, oar pressure's good.
Yep.
Airspeed's coming to life. There's 45, 50, and 55. Nose up.
Yep.
Okay. Airspeed's good. Positive rate of climb.
Chino Tower, Cherokee 2226 November, holding short runway 26 right, ready for southwestbound departure with flight following.
Cessna 070, report a Cessna heading to your left at trim the 45 out of 1,600.
070, looking.
Starting wing 736, turn right kilo, contact ground.
736, Roger.
I'll say.
Cherokee 32 Juliet, change to runway 26 left, runway 26 left, clear to land.
267, clear to land, 30 Juliet.
Driving tight, right here.
30 Juliet, you're broken
right,
flight 26 left.
26 left, clear to land, 30 Juliet.
And Tower 070 has the traffic.
070, after, behind them, on course approved.
Behind the course approved, 070. You got him, where they at?
For Quebec. Runway 26 right.
I think they passed us, right?
Let's take off 26 right, 84.
Yeah, they did.
Chino Tower, Coop 7543 Charlie's back, holding short again.
Yep, got it.
Air Coop 7543 Charlie, Chino Tower, Roger. One departure.
Air Coop 7543 Charlie, holding short 26 right.
There he is, right there.
November
Yeah,
36 kilo, extend downwind and change runway 26 left, report at Cherokee on a 2.5 mile final.
Change 26 left, I have the Cherokee 36 kilo.
Number 43 Charlie. And runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
43 Charlie, clear for takeoff, 26 right.
It's what?
When anyone to AF, I'll call the base approved.
070, so long.
Yeah, Alpha Hotel, we have it inside. Okay, says 3 Alpha Hotel. They're full stop also over runway 27, clear to land, follow that Cessna. Clear to land, follow Cessna number 73 Alpha Hotel. Thank you. Remember 1 Juliet Papa, Riverside Tower.
Call 1 Juliet Papa is going up on the lake map using information call. We'll request a transition through your airspace from a destination in Chino.
Remember 1 Juliet Papa, Roger. Transition approved. I don't know if you're going to catch it at all from Lake Matthews to Chino. Usually stays outside of it, but that's fine. Report's clear and Riverside altimeter 3011.
Papa 1 Juliet Papa. Proceed, sorry, roger that.
Roger.
Riverside Tower, Cessna 52070, over the 15, inbound for left close traffic with Gulf.
Says 52070, I got a full pattern right now. Do you still want to come inbound for a full stop or go somewhere else? Cessna 52070, your traffic is just past the numbers and on the left downwind. He's about a mile ahead.
070 looking. Let's slow down here.
That's 7320 Juliet, runway
Right in front of
27,
us.
clear for takeoff, south departure approved.
Runway 27, clear for takeoff, Cessna 7320 Juliet.
That's 556, base approved, runway 27, clear for touch and go. 556, turning left base and clear for touch and go.
Oh, I see him.
Got him?
Straight ahead, a little below us.
Okay.
He's going into his turn now.
Riverside Tower, number 21 Juliet Papa is clear.
1 Juliet
Got
Papa,
him?
thank you.
Yeah, I see him.
Pre-exchange approved, have a good day.
Okay, got him.
Exchange approved, thanks for the ATC.
Roger.
And Tower 070 has the Cessna on base.
Cessna 070, Roger, follow that Cessna. Did you want touch and go?
070, we'll make it a full stop.
070, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 27 for 070. Okay, there's his traffic.
Says 7320 Juliet, the Beaver off your left, remaining in the pattern. We'll see how it looks when you come
See if he
back.
gets off the runway.
We've just been getting reports from other instructors about it, so we'll keep it posted, thanks.
Okay, good, thanks.
He's going around.
Cessna 67431 over.
Might have to go around if he stays on the runway.
Landing 27 with Golf.
Get off here.
Over Paradise City or call
Oh,
sign.
you touch it. You did touch it.
67431.
Yep, we're
Number
good.
67431, Riverside Tower, enter left downwind, runway 27.
We're good.
Left downwind for 27, 67431.
Riverside Tower, November 237, interference about 5 miles.
A little updraft here.
South of the auto center, 4,000 feet, descended down 2,500. Hold up.
Just 556, when able, turn crosswind.
Okay, we can turn crosswind 556.
Thank you, Cessna 87 uniform, report a mile south of the auto center, left base, runway 27, traffic in a pattern.
1 mile south of the auto center, left base, runway 27, 87 uniform.
Number 70 Juliet Echo, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, 70 Juliet Echo.
Just a 52070, left it,
Hold
Golf
it.
without delay, traffic
I got
short final.
Left at Golf for 070.
The 070, thank you, contact ground point 7.
070 over the ground. Okay. Good instruments are good. Airspeed's coming alive. 45, 50, 55, nose up.
Cessna 407, left crosswind departures approved. Traffic ahead is staying in the pattern. Runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, 65497.
Positive rate of climb.
56 Delta, extend your right downwind and I'll call your base.
I'll take my downwind and you call my base, 56 Delta.
Looking good. Alright, about ready for the crosswind turn. Here we go. Anybody over here? Nobody over there?
No.
Yeah, good. 1,800 feet. There we go. And we're almost at pattern altitude. Do it climbing good today.
Yeah.
Cessna 16 Delta, traffic ahead is departing on a left crosswind departure. Runway 27, clear for takeoff.
There's our pattern altitude.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, make left close traffic, 16 to left.
Cessna 56 Delta, base approved. Runway 27, clear left. Cessna 554.
Looks good. Runway's clear, right?
Yeah.
Get it on the center line.
And Riverside Tower, do you want me to switch over to SoCal?
Here's standby one, please.
65 all the way.
65407, did you get a beacon code to Orange County?
Yeah, 0275.
Okay, thanks, standby.
Okay, flaps coming up. They're good. Here we go.
65407, contact
go.
SoCal departure 135.4.
554, 65.
Yeah, there's airspeed.
Justice 16 Zulu, your base is approved, report turn on final.
Okay.
Base approved, report turn on final.
Engine instruments good. Positive rate of climb.
16 Zulu, roger, runway 27, clear for touch and go.
Clear for touch and go, 27, 16 Zulu.
Okay, good rate of climb.
That's 070, again, your straight out departure is approved. You can contact Chino Tower on 118.5.
070, 185. Thanks for the help.
Chino Airport, Cardinal.
Okay, holding short 26 left, area Romeo.
Cherokee 00 uniform number 2, follow a Luscombe short final, runway 26 right, clear to land.
See the red line?
Yeah.
Longer or shorter?
Yeah, I see it.
Tower 6695.
So before you turn, always lift your wing into that turn.
070 instructions, make straight in, runway 26 left, fly direct to numbers.
070, understand, direct to the numbers for 26 left.
070 affirmative, number 1, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Clear to land number 1, runway 26 left for 070. Okay, so now we're going to be at
November 380
left now?
We're on the left.
Traffic
Okay,
will
so
now,
longer one now?
Yep.
you said left downwind departure?
Straight out departure, 0 Romeo.
008 Romeo, straight out departure.
Okay, come to the left a little bit.
Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 26 left, 0 Romeo.
Frequency change approved. Highly suggest SoCal approach on 125.5 for flight following. It's pretty busy out to the west.
Okay, I'll go to 125.5, 0 Romeo.
Brakes, boost pump, gas, undercarriage, mixture, we're good. Seatbelts are set?
Yeah. Skyline 7387 November.
Yeah, 20.
Chino Tower, hold short of runway 26 right.
No, no.
November 908 Foxtrot, one more arrival, then I'll get you going.
Do that, 98 Foxtrot.
65 all the way.
Chino Tower, Twin Cessna, 777 Victor Foxtrot, approximately 15
I see him,
miles
he's
to
right
the
there.
east,
Right.
inbound, full stop.
Twin Cessna 777 Victor Foxtrot, Chino Tower, identity altitude.
Ident altitude 4,000.
Yep.
Information November.
November 0, correction 7 Victor Foxtrot. You're going to go through like 4 other people's airspaces before you go through mine. I highly suggest you contact SoCal approach on 135.4 since you are about to enter their airspace. November 87 November, cross runway 26 right at Papa.
What happened there?
73 November, crossing 26 right in Papa.
November 6 Juliet Alpha, turn right at Kilo. How was the ride inbound? Any turbulence?
Yeah, it was a little bouncy. Yeah, they kind of released me a little high, so that's why I was a little high there, but everything's all good.
November 6 Juliet Alpha, thank you. Contact ground point 6, good day.
Good day.
November 87 November, taxi full length, runway 26 left via Bravo, first left turn for Bravo, and you'll see a beach Sierra, I believe, down at the end there, all the way down.
Hey, November, Roger, we'll go to the far end, 7387 November.
November 070, turn right at Lima, then contact ground point 6, good day.
070, so long.
Number 908 Foxtrot, left turn towards Corona, approved, runway 26 left, full length, clear for takeoff. Number 1120 Zulu, Chino, ground safe position.
We are just off of Juliet, back in the parking area.
Number 20 Zulu, and say taxi request.
We'll like taxi to 26 right for departure.
Number 20 Zulu, runway 26 right, taxi via Juliet Alpha, cross runway 21.
Chino ground, that's a 52070, off runway 26 left at Lima, taxi to AIA.
52070, Chino ground, taxi via Lima Kilo, cross runway 21, hold short of runway 26 right.
Lima Kilo, cross runway 21, hold short of runway 26 right at Kilo for 070.
736, Juliet Alpha, like to taxi the northeast hangar.
So the big thing is people can confirm you don't want to turn here, that's a runway.
Alpha, Delta, Mike.
Alpha, Delta, Mike, thank you, 736, Juliet Alpha.
This is where it gets confusing here at the airport. You really got to pay attention. A lot of people will turn here, but then there's two other taxiways. This is Delta, and then the other one's Kilo. We're going to go on Kilo.
20 Zulu, I just need the readback with your call sign. Readback of 26 right with your call sign. Same transmission, please.
Juliet Alpha,
okay, so this is Delta.
Short 26, 1120.
Straight ahead, skew.
Depart straight out.
We want Kilo.
20 Zulu, Roger, I understand that, and you left out the right. We have parallels here for 26. I just need to verify. Hold short of 26 right.
Well, we'll hold short for 26 right, sorry about that.
Then he's hold short up here.
40 Zulu, and just the rules state that I need that hold short with your call sign in the same transmission.
What?
Sorry. Juliet Alpha 21, hold short 26 right, 1120 Zulu.
What?
Hold on.
156.
This is where you really got to pay attention, right?
Yeah.
You got to really.
070, cross runway 26 right at Kilo, no delay.
070, cross 26 right at Kilo, no delay. Okay, here we go.
I got it.
Mole 5 and company, proceed on Bravo, hold short of runway 26 left.
Chino, ground Mole 5, I'm by myself, and I will hold short of 26 left to Bravo.
And ground 070, we're going to AIA.
070, taxi via Kilo.
Via Kilo to AIA for 070. Thanks for the help today with everybody. Could you tell what happened?
There's just a little tow thing. And people standing outside.
Alright, good job today.
Thank you.
Busy day.
Chino ground, 9 November, Delta, Alpha.